Alpha Houston on 2 for Sandy.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Sandy, that last Reba battery is all charged, and so that's complete. If you would like to, you're welcome to do the terminate procedure that's scheduled for you for tomorrow, and you can do that anytime at your convenience.
Oh, that was fast. Okay, and just put it back in the MO2 bag?
Yeah, Sandy, the Reba battery itself will go back into the MO2 bag. Everything else will go into CTB 1303.
Okay, thanks.
Station Space Around 2 for Velocical.
Go ahead, Mike.
Yeah, I was supposed to do step 7, 10, 11, and I think 15, which is closeout. I'm ready to report on step number 7, and on step number 10, I think there's something you can help with deactivating the Node 1 cabin fan.
Copy that, Mike. We'll be happy to take care of that for step 10.
Yeah, thanks. It's in your interest to do so. So while you're working on that, I can give you the 12 readings on step number 7.
Yep, we're ready. Go ahead.
Okay. Starting at the top left corner, there are 12 readings, and they vary quite a bit. The first one, 545, 1125, 950, 795, 1065, 1130, 740, 1075, 1135, 95, that's the 0, 9, or 5, 425, and then 1010. I'll copy.
Yeah, that is quite a range. Good, clear numbers, and we copied all.
And just to let you know, I did this probably about 2 or 3 months ago, and I expect these, I don't have the numbers with me, I'm sure you guys do, I expect these numbers to be better. When we were working with the ARED, we found a couple spots in the node where we hadn't been vacuuming for the IMD fans just because they were blocked previously by the water wall and things like that. So now we've been cleaning those regularly, so I'm certainly hopeful that these numbers are higher.
Okay, we'll certainly check and compare.
All right. Also, while we're waiting for the Node 1 cabin fan work, the pace up and running, and that you guys should be able to see it on the network now that you have KU.
And Alpha Houston on 2. Mike, we do see the pacebook is on. Thank you very much. And the cabin fan, the Node 1 cabin fan is off.
Okay, thanks. And just for timelining purposes, just to let you know, we were able to do the IMV duct clean and measurements for the lab, the previous procedure. We did that in a very short period of time. It was, I don't say piece of cake, but it was very straightforward. So you gave us a lot of extra time for that. And again, it's the first time that it's been done, I'm sure. And then the second one for the IMV flow, you didn't give us enough time. I know it all balances out, but just for future reference, I would probably double the IMV flow time that you gave us, which I think was roughly about half an hour. I think a full hour is what's needed. And again, a lot of it has to do with little things like getting carbon dioxide measurements and things like that.
Those are great inputs, Mike. Thank you very much.
I'm not complaining. We've got plenty of time to do everything. It's a nice leisurely day up here, and we do want to get you your measurements. So with that being said, off to step number 10.
And Houston copies.
And Houston Station Space Around 2 with 2 more readings for you.
We are ready, Mike.
Okay. This is step number 10, which is the Node 1 overhead 2 in the IMD diffuser locations. P1 is 975 and P2 is 865, and if I recall, I think those are the same readings we got about a month ago. So that's I think that's looking good. And Robert, just to let you know, I'm giving you these readings piecemeal. It gives you guys time to digest and compare and see if you need to take any of these readings again or anything like that.
Copy that. Thank you very much.
Houston Station, space to ground 2.
And go ahead, Mike.
Yeah, I have the last set of VelociCalc readings for you for Node 2 overhead port 3 and overhead port 4 if you're ready.
We are ready to copy.
Okay, Node 2 overhead port 3, 4 readings, all in the 400s and 300s, 465, 450, 461, that's 461, and then the last reading was 314, 314.
And copy that, Mike. Could you verify the second number? Was that 450?
That's correct. 465, 450, 461, 314.
Okay, we copied all that. Ready for the next set.
Okay, overhead port 4, 450, that's 450, 320, 530, and 300.
And we copy all. And while I've got you, Mike,
Hey, go ahead.
Yeah, a different subject, and we can continue with the VelociCalc if we need to. The Facebook activity is done, and you can turn that off at your convenience.
Okay, we copy on the page and ready to talk about VelociCalc.
Now, we may have misunderstood. I think I thought I was interrupting you. So we have all the stuff we need for VelociCalc. Did you have any more to pass down?
I certainly do, if you're ready.
Yes, very ready.
Okay. If you look at Figure 7, you can see that there is a way, there's some louvers to adjust the diffuser for these overhead diffusers. And in order to get the best and most consistent reading, I made the louvers move so that we're actually kind of making squares, if you want to say, so everything's kind of orthogonal so that we can get the best reading. Other than that, with the long wand, it's kind of hard to get exactly orthogonal, airflow reading, which is what we're supposed to try to get. So I think it would be nice, in order to keep consistency in readings, that if you updated your procedure, that you would try to move it so that ask us to move the louvers so that we can get the best possible readings.
Okay, copy that. Great suggestion, and Equalis has made a note of that.
Okay, Robert, I know you said you guys were done with VelociCalc, so just give you one last chance for any last readings. If not, we're going to turn off the VelociCalc and stow it.
Okay, Mike, we are very happy with all the readings, so yep, we are done. Thank you very much for your support of this.
No problem, and thanks to Equalis and OSO and the rest of the team for supporting us so we have good airflow and good mixing aboard the station. Thanks a lot.
We all like good air, and OSO and Equalis, thank you for your comments. Mike and Chris.
Houston Alpha 2.
Go ahead, Sandy.
Yeah, I have a big question. This CTB 1303 that has all the battery chargers in it for the Reba and the EIPS and the EMU batteries, are we going to need to access that CTB during the shuttle flight?
Yes, Sandy, the answer is yes on that, because we will be using the EMU battery charger and the Reba battery charger during the dock stops.
Okay, thanks.